Characters lost through 26-26.
Video lang na. May picture. May video ako picture. Asan ang picture?
Wow!
It's not wow. Scary.
No, it's not. Wow, it's scary. I'm not even scared.
Alrighty, so hello everybody.
Hi.
Welcome to the Jasper Sky Tram. My name is Luke and I'm going to be your guide for the next 7.5 minutes as we travel up Whistler's Mountain here on the Trident Range. Is it everybody's first time here?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Exciting. Where are we all coming from?
Philippines.
Nice.
Toronto.
Saskatoon.
Korea.
Korea. Yeah, we have a pretty diverse car going on here. I'm from Toronto as well. And yeah, I'm just gonna take the next few minutes to rattle off some facts for you, tell you about the area, just point out a few things, and try to answer any questions that you may have. So please don't hesitate to ask. Starting with right now, actually, before I get started, any questions right off the bat? About anything. Alrighty.
What's the term of communication?
in Canada? Sorry.
No.
You know where that is?
The highest what, mountain?
Yeah.
The highest mountain in Canada is
Tram.
Mount Logan up in Yukon.
Okay.
10 points.
It's about 5,000 meters above sea level.
Is there any in the area taller than this one, or is this one the tallest?
Yeah. We're not close to the tallest, no. This is a good one for...
Wow!
No, it's not one of the tallest for sure, but
You should make it.
there's gonna be a slight swing over this tower.
Oh my god.
It's so fun!
Our mountain here is about 2,300 meters above sea level.
So cool!
At the top.
Yeah, it's so
So
cool.
we're rising 1 kilometer from the
I'm
bottom.
not.
Oh my god.
I'm scared. I'm not scared. Look, it's not
Train below.
Has anybody seen any wildlife yet? What have you
So
seen?
long.
Bears.
Caribou.
No.
Baby bear.
Which one?
Baby bear,
What was it,
not the
no?
papa bear.
Goats.
Teddy bear.
Bambi. Carlo, Bambi, Carlo.
Bambi?
So at the background of our tram, of course, that's the town of Jasper. Conveniently shaped like a J. There it is. Now to the right of the town, we have that river, the Athabasca, and those 3 beautiful blue lakes. Those are all glacial fed from the Columbian ice fields, about 100 kilometers south. Sure, some of you have been there probably, or are going there.
so high.
The highest.
So by the time we reach the upper terminal, it will be about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than from where we started. Okay, you feel that cold air rushing in. These harsh conditions up here make it pretty hard for some trees to grow and vegetation, and also animals don't come up as high. For example, those trees right there, highest up in this subalpine zone, are about 300 years old. The only sorts of animals we have up here are marmots and mountain goats. We have some pika, they're little chipmunks, and some ptarmigan, they're birds.
Hi, mommy.
It's
So are there any last questions as we slow down for docking? That's the trip basically. Okay, well, so for when you want to come down, there are trams every 10 minutes up until 8:30 this evening. So you have about 2 hours left. But otherwise, you can head down whenever you want. You just got to make your way to the main lobby and they'll set you up in the next available car.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How many years ago was the tram here?
What, sorry?
How many years has the tram been operating here?
51 years.
51.
These are the original tram cars.
How many years they've constructed this?
They did it in about 5 months.
5 months? Oh,
So they didn't take much time.
only 5 months.
Well, it's not much. You just throw the cables out in a couple of minutes. This is material up here. It's probably how the goats go.
Any accident on construction? No. No? Zero?
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Not supposed to talk about.
Ano dyan siya? Wow. Is it normal?
What's up? That bump? Yeah.
Pahilo na pa.
Dad,
Okay.
Ciao guys.